Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony G. You're watching 1526 Barbecue, and today we're gonna smoke pineapple spears. Check it out. I've never tried this before, but it sounded like a good idea, so I figured we'd try it together. Okay, this recipe should be pretty simple, one of those quick and easy barbecue ideas. I have some pre-cut and, like pre-speared or pre-long rectangular shaped pineapple cuts from the store. We're gonna be trying 3 different rub combinations. I'm gonna do some just in my favorite sweet and smoky. I will be doing some with brown sugar. I know it says pink salt, but I just put some brown sugar in there. Brown sugar and cinnamon. And then we'll also be doing some with brown sugar and chili. So once I have all 3 of them coated nicely with the rubs, we are going to smoke them on my Pit Boss 1100 Pro pellet smoker at 225 degrees. Probably for about an hour. I don't know yet exactly, but at the end of the video I'll let you know how long it took. I'm smoking on hickory pellets because it's all I have. If you had a fruit-based wood, like let's say apple pellets, it'd probably go really well with this recipe. So with that, let's get into it. All right, so here are our pineapples that we're going to be using for today's recipe. The first thing I'm going to do is put them on these bamboo skewers. So we'll go ahead and start our first batch now. And since I've never done this recipe before, I'm actually going to just do 4 of each and see how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and skewer all 12 of my pieces now. And what I'm trying to do with my skewers is get them all the way through the pineapple and even have them stick out a little bit on the other end. Now I think I'm going to be doing my rub on top of this plastic lid and then transferring the completed skewers over to this plate. So for now, I'll go ahead and move 8 of them over since we don't need those right now. And for the first batch of 4, I'm going to go ahead and use my all-time favorite for the house, sweet and smoky. This is just a store-bought rub. Okay, these 4 are done. Go ahead and put those on our plate. All right, for the next batch, I'm going to be using my brown sugar, which is just in a pink salt container. And we'll be mixing this one with cinnamon. So brown sugar. And for the cinnamon, I don't know how I'm going to do this. My cinnamon that we have doesn't have a shaker top. Let me think for a moment here. I have this strainer. I wonder if that'll hold it enough. Okay, so I added some cinnamon into this sifter or strainer. I'm just going to tap it on. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All right, so that's our first brown sugar and cinnamon. I'll put that aside somewhere on the plate here where it doesn't touch the others. I'll put down my cinnamon for now. Go back to brown sugar. All right, the last 4 are going to be the brown sugar and chili powder. And the chili powder I do have in a shaker already. All right, now that we have all 12 of them seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and start that smoker up again to 225 degrees. Once it goes to temp, I'll be throwing these on and I'll let you know how long it takes. All right, so we let those pineapples go for about an hour and take a look at them. Those look pretty good. They smell delicious. I'm gonna give a try here to the sweet and smoky, which I believe is this one. So we have barbecue sweet and smoky rub on a smoked pineapple. That's pretty good. Okay, sweet and smoky. Let's try the chili one, chili and brown sugar. Hey guys, real quick, after we were done recording this video, my wife came up with the idea of flame broiling the pineapples to really caramelize that brown sugar. It really took this recipe to the next level, and I recommend you try that before you try eating the pineapple. It's much, much better. Okay, so the two I tasted is actually pretty good. I think next time I'll go a little heavier on that brown sugar with the chili powder. And I'm not going to try the cinnamon one because I'm not a big cinnamon fan. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.